Last show.
One more.
We're doing it. Oh, I guess I'm going here. I'll go this way.
Lead the way, Howard.
All right.
I need an adult.
All right.
Damn. I believe they're letting us in this place.
Let's just take the stairs. It's a really cool spot. What's up, dude? How are you?
Hey, dude. I'm gonna get to this place.
Yeah. Doesn't matter. We're here.
Looks like someone had a wedding reception.
They had a party in here.
Come in.
And pooping?
Yeah.
Pooping, man, that works for work. Stuff on my wall.
Yeah. Set it up. Go.
All right. We're gonna play on this rooftop thing. It's pretty cool. Lots of pool there. Another beautiful day. All right, I'm gonna go find the green room. Where's the green room? Is it this?
I'm waiting for Ryan.
Okay.
It looks like there's a door on the other side of the green for stage.
Yeah, there is. Over here? Could be.
Maybe it's this.
Maybe.
Harbor room.
The harbor room. Oh, I see. Okay, maybe it is this. I'm gonna set up shop.
I'd like to see you try.
So I'm gonna set up shop right here and record the boys some bass and some guitar. I got the drums for Close to Me from a live set in Boston that we did the other night. He said he was happy with that drum take, so I'm just gonna use that. And I edited the drums already, and now we're gonna be able to build on top of that. And that is how you do some guerrilla recording on the road. And we're gonna release it too. It's pretty cool.
Hell yeah. Homies be like, yo, come over. I got the studio set up.
Guys be like, I know this.
Yo, come through. I got the studio set up.
Oh, hey.
I was gonna fix the blinker, and then I looked at it, and if I glue it down, we ever have to change the bulb. We're never gonna get it out. So I was talking to Dave. We'll probably get like something like that silver siding tape. Do that
For the trailer?
Yeah.
Oh, right, gotcha. Okay.
Yeah. I thought twice about it. I'm like, if I glue this down, we're never gonna change the bulb.
Right. See, that's why I paid the big bucks. I didn't even think about that.
Yeah. I didn't until I went to do it. I was like, oh, wait a minute.
I guess we didn't need a key to get up here.
No, but I couldn't get down the last time I tried to get down.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and then I had to take the stairs.
Oh, okay. There you go. Sir. Oh, check this out.
Oh, you haven't been up here yet?
No. First time. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so I guess you'll need a key to get up. He said he couldn't get down.
Yeah, I couldn't get back down.
So, which is weird.
Yeah, it was like it just kept saying like call block and I was stuck up here. And then when I went back down with Brandon, I had no problem. So I don't know.
That's cool.
Must be user error.
Must be.
Everybody knows I'm a social
Great show, New York. That was awesome. Thank you so much for being here and doing it with us. And it was a great way to end the run. So thank you guys very much. Never been here before. It was really nice. Really cool spot. Oh, dude, thank you very much, man. So now we're gonna pack up and we're gonna head home. We're gonna drive back to Maryland, and I can't wait to just be home for a bit. I gotta play in Virginia Beach on Saturday morning, doing a brunch thing. So hopefully get some recovery on the voice a little bit, because I'll be playing acoustic, and but you can see the city out there real far away, all the way over there. Empire State Building. This place is cool. All right, I want to find food too.